Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create a standard LCD screen group using the Colorlight Universe series video splicing processor's web interface. First, click Splicing, and then add Screen Group. Name the group Standard LCD and select LCD as the screen type. For the layout, choose Standard, and based on your actual setup, select the number of screens. When you enter the LCD splicing setup for the first time, a guided wizard will appear. Simply follow the prompts and click Next to continue. In the bottom left corner, you can edit the screen group name, layout, and the number of screens. Click Output Board at the top left to view the output signals, resolution, and frame rate. If needed, click Custom Resolution to either select a preset resolution or define your own. You can customize the resolution size, frame rate, color depth, color format, and color gamut standard. You can also view the pixel clock of the custom signal. After finishing the edits, click Save. Next, drag the desired output signal source into the corresponding frames in the screen group area. Once all sources are arranged, click Save again. Now, the LCD standard screen group is created. To bring signals onto the screen, go to Screen Management, click LCD window, drag the needed signal source into the screen group area. Adjust the window size and fill the signal across the entire group. With that, the LCD screen group creation and signal setup are complete. Thanks for watching.